Welcome to no man's land, literally. How much do you spend in a month? Oh my god, okay. You will live like a king here, man. Let's go that way. और अगर सो यार वेलकम बैक वंस अगेन। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हो, मेरा नाम निखिलेश है और मैं इस वक्त हूँ ड्रेसडेन हाउपबानहोफ के मेन स्टेशन पे और यहाँ से मैं ट्रेन लेके जा रहा हूँ लाइप्जिग और फिर वहाँ से आगे हम जा रहे हैं वाइमार की तरफ। आज वाइमार यूनिवर्सिटी फिल्म करूँगा और उसके बाद TU इल्मेनाउ जाने का भी प्लान है। तो चलो इन्जॉय करो। व्लॉग अगर पसंद आ रहा है तो लाइक करते रहना। लेट्स कंटिन्यू आवर जर्नी। तो यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया था, यहाँ तक आ गए। ये वापस ड्रेसडेन जा रही है और हम लाइप्जिग पहुँच चुके हैं। चलते हैं बाहर। हम आ गए हैं लाइप्जिग। इतना बड़ा स्टेशन है। इट्स वन ऑफ द मेन स्टेशंस एक्चुअली। बहुत सारे नियर बाय सिटीज़ है जैसे कि मैग्देबर्ग हो गया, ड्रेसडेन हो गया। तो ये सारे लोग यहीं आते हैं अगर लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस ट्रेन लेनी होती है तो। RB बन के आई थी वहाँ से और RE बन के जा रही है। तो छोटा डिफरेंस ये होता है, RB का मतलब है रीजनल बान जो हर स्टॉप पे होते हुए जाती है बट लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस जाती है। RE का मतलब होता है रीजनल एक्सप्रेस जो लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस जाती है बट हर स्टेशन पे नहीं रुकेगी, मेन स्टेशन पे ही रुकेगी। मैं तो पर्सनली कभी भी RE देखता हूँ। सो यहाँ से मैं जा रहा हूँ वाइमार। अगर आप एक आर्किटेक्ट एज अ प्रोफेशन आपने चूज किया है और जब आप अपना बैचलर्स इन आर्किटेक्चर पढ़ रहे होगे, वहाँ पर आपने पढ़ा होगा बाउहाउस करके। बाउहाउस कहाँ से आता है? वो जर्मनी से आता है और वो यूनिवर्सिटी उसी चीज़ के लिए फेमस है और बाकी और भी कोर्सेज हैं वहाँ पर। तो वहाँ पर मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ और वहाँ पर कुछ रील्स फिल्म करूँगा। जैसे ही वो काम हो जाएगा, थोड़ी दूरी पे ही इल्मेनाउ भी है। TU इल्मेनाउ बहुत सारे कोर्सेज के लिए फेमस है, तो मैं वहाँ पर भी जा रहा हूँ मैं। तो ये सारी चीज़ें मैं फ्रेश कंटेंट 2024 के लिए बना रहा हूँ। अगर आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो नहीं कर रहे हो, वहाँ पर फॉलो करना, बिकॉज मैं वहीं पर डाल रहा हूँ सारे कंटेंट में। क्रिसमस का वाइब देख रहे हो, लाइप्जिग स्टेशन पे एकदम सजा के रखा हुआ है। कल रात को मैं यहीं था एक्चुअली। सो ये जो ट्रेन आई है ये आइजनाक जाने वाली है इस तरफ वापस, और फिर मैं वाइमार में उतर जाऊँगा। चलो चलते हैं। वाइमार में आ गए हम लोग। ओह हाय, आर यू गाइस हियर? ओके, गुड टू सी यू। What are you studying?
Structural engineering.
Okay, what are you studying? Same course, huh? Since how long are you guys here now?
1 year.
What's your university name?
Bauhaus University, Weimar.
Are these your friends?
Yeah.
Hi, man. How far is the university from here?
It's 1.5 kilometers.
This is one of the university which I was left.
Okay.
So I'm only left with like 3 universities in this country. Weimar was one of them. After today, it will be 423.
Congratulations.
This is a way out. What is your university mainly like? What courses are famous?
It's actually it started with arts and culture, then later it evolved into designing, and now they are dealing with structural engineering.
So it's basically the hub for architectures, right? I mean,
Yeah.
Bauhaus was a
Yeah.
big deal, I guess, for you guys as well. Yes. Yeah, okay, cool. This is what station looks like, by the way, when you come out. We just came out from here. And then there's a taxi stand right there. It's good if somebody comes in the daytime, I guess.
Yeah.
If they're coming for the first time, right?
Actually.
Are we taking some bus from here?
Yeah.
बारिश हो रही है। Give us your background. Where are you from? What did you study?
I'm from Andhra Pradesh. Like I studied bachelor's in civil engineering. Then I worked for 2.5 years for my government. I'm also an employee right now too. That's it.
Okay.
into this course.
And how much did you score in your bachelor's?
It was around 84 to 85 in between.
Okay. What about you?
I'm also from Andhra Pradesh. I came in 2021. CGPA was 9.3.
Oh my god. What are the other courses though?
Digital engineering, computer interaction, and then one digital media course. That's
Okay.
all like for English speaking courses.
I see. And you studied your bachelor's in?
Civil engineering.
Civil engineering. Okay. Okay, cool. So 1 number bus is here. Let's go. So we just got off at Goetheplatz right here. Get down at Goetheplatz, come back, and then go straight and take a left from this good looking building. Oh, it's a post office. My god. It says Postamt right on the top. So from Postamt, take a left. But is this the main square of the city?
If you go that side, it's the main square actually. Like there is
There.
a Goethe and Schiller statue, so that's the city center.
Welcome to no man's land, literally. But there's nobody here today. Is it because it's Sunday? Oh no, holiday. Okay. Otherwise, there's only what, 5 people. Hey, what is our cost of living for both of you here?
Maximum 300 euros. Starts from 190.
Okay.
And then rest of all it's same like groceries and all like everywhere.
How much do you spend in a month?
500 to 600.
Same for you?
Yeah.
Oh my god, okay. Do you still able to save some money in the blocked account by the end of the year?
Yeah. It's done actually. Like we are staying here like for the 1 year, last 1 year.
Yeah.
There is nothing left, so we started working. So like right now, like I'm working in the university as research assistant.
Wow,
From
okay.
a professor.
Uh-huh.
And like there are some part-time jobs, but you can't find much part-time jobs in Weimar. If like many people, they go to Erfurt because it's a bigger city next to Weimar.
How far is Erfurt?
12 minutes.
When they go for a part-time job, how much are they able to make by the end of the
12
month?
to 13 hour per hour.
You said you work as an assistant to professor. How much do you get paid there?
It's like I'm having only a bachelor degree. If I had master's degree, I might pay it extra, like 15 to 16 euros.
Okay. Are you doing part-time job or no?
Yeah, I'm also doing I'm working in Domino's.
Ah, okay.
I'm also getting paid 13, and in a month I make around 1,000.
You may live like a king here, man. With 1,000 euros.
Yeah.
Is this the office?
Yeah, from here to that side.
Okay, this part. Where is the entrance for it?
It's that way.
Let's go that way. What is this building?
So this is house number 1, like we go for city registration and all.
Uh-huh.
Usually like we have this thing like university will provide appointments for us, like we don't need to go and get an appointment for
Oh,
city
really?
registration.
Wow, okay.
Our university provide appointment like whenever we get an admission. Then like later after 6 months we go to this house. House number 3 it is.
It says house
Yeah.
number 3 right here. This is the entrance?
Yeah.
And
It's
this is where
entrance
you
for us.
extend your visa. Okay.
And like we have thing called like we have to drop the documents before our visa expires. So like we have to go to house number 2. It's connected with this building.
Uh-huh.
There is a special entrance from that side, or else like we can go from here.
Right.
We'll drop the documents there, and with 3 weeks we'll get an appointment. So we'll come here, then give biometrics, and after 3 weeks again we'll get the.
Okay.
Card.
So first step is to drop the documents, get an appointment,
Yeah.
then come to house 3.
House 3.
Okay. Got it. So this is what house 3 looks like from far. And then house 2 is right there. There's also a bus stop I see here.
Yeah, but there are like not frequent buses over here.
Ah, okay.
It's like 2 buses in an hour.
Okay.
So it's better to walk from Goethe.
How does one get here? Just get down at Goetheplatz and
And
then
then
walk to these buildings. This is where you get your visa extension done, and this is where you get your city registration done. Now we'll go to the university. All right, let's go.